Oh, sure, you should have seen me in my nightshirt.
You have a nice shirt too?
No, the one they gave me the plastic outside of it looks good.
You mean inside the pizza?
Well, I'm trying.
I love
you.
it. It's too long?
Where's the thing?
Comes down to them with a nightshirt's a nightshirt.
Huh?
Sleeves ain't too long. It's got tucks up here.
Where'd Carrie go? Carrie, get over there.
Well, Grandpa, don't run.
Sit down and pick up the thing. Handle.
Jeremy, come get the picture.
I got this.
Do what, huh?
So Jeremy, come get the picture. Jeremy, come get the picture. Granddad's taking some pictures. Come here, Granddad's taking some pictures.
Did y'all get them Sears upstairs?
Yeah.
Cause did y'all see that one that they let you run? Cause they have one inside this plastic thing.
Freddy said he did. Freddy said he
Yeah,
did.
Granddad did.
That handle, and you pull the button back, and it runs, and it goes 150 miles an hour.
Gracious.
This black one, that's how much it weighs.
It
It goes 150 miles an hour.
One just like that,
Just
right
like
there.
Oh. Right when you touch the button, we'll race them.
Oh, shit, we're crazy.
March, you see?
Go
Go.
run riding it down.
You'll have to go to school tomorrow, don't you?
Yeah. When we after school, we might get to Grenades home.
Well, good.
That ain't gonna be home till late tomorrow. I gotta go way up the country and get moving trailer. Well, they can, I'm gonna have them fixed where they can take them out and play with them when they get home.
I'm gonna be responsible for that?
Yeah.
Oh, too.
Whatever they tear up, I'll fix when I get here.
Batteries will be charged by in the morning.
I won.
Jerry, did you? You put that cigarette out? No. And I said, Darling! Let's sing, y'all. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell. I ain't got enough energy to breathe. Come out. You wouldn't come out here with that thing after everybody got tuckered out. Oh, God. And all this.
Don't you go wake him up, Molly? Go wake him up? I know where you is.
Yeah, she thought she took the picture outside the door and wanted to stay with her. When they got he was in the playing, and he would come out the door with me. He'd come on the step. Right there for him. I can have stop now.
Bomb time.
No bomb time. Get it up.
warm up a little bit. That's right. No, not in the face. That's right. God, it's cooler. All right, now come on.
Oh! It went to lake.
I did it. I slid. Just like that. Damn mercy. Mercy. Come on. Don't be cheating. I know how you are.
Oh. I got it right in the eye, Jerry.
Come on, Mr. Woods. You gotta retaliate somehow.
I gotta what?
Retaliate somehow.
We gotta get warm first.
Get warm. It's warm out here now.
She was. That's what she was in.
Come on.
Oh man, please.
Go, Mary!
Oh, Freddy.
Woo!
Oh, it's mess.
It don't snow in Georgia.
I know it. Not in Savannah.
Never.
I didn't go farther enough back. How many inches we got?
I don't know, must have 4, 5, or 6.
Don't make a snowball, eh?
I'll
Like this, I throw it at the camera.
kill you.
Zoom in on me.
you do, dummy?
I said, zoom in on me.
Woo.
1, 2, 3. I went in your sleeve. Here. Yeah, it's in your sleeve. Where's Shorty and Paul?
He home with the dog.
And we need a slayer. So what Jerry and them do, they get a piece of plywood, drill some holes in it, get some ropes,
Yeah.
get them dirt road and pull each other behind us. Come on, let's walk down here.
Don't walk too far.
Huh? Look at here. Okay, get pictures.
Yeah, it's getting rough now. Let's go down there.
Hey! Hey! It's up! Come on! Come out and play! We're taking us out so we can come out! Come out and play! Don't take a move. You just I can't come out! It's going hard now. You want to go? He wants to come out and play, but I can't watch him yet. No, he can't play.
The idiot dog don't want to come out here.
He does too. I just hate how they use the bathroom. He didn't want to come in there like you were. Come on! Come on! See, he just doesn't want to play. Come on, we're going to get some pieces of it. Oh! Ain't that cool? Ain't that cool? Huh? Did you get pictures? Look how sad he is. Look at your foot. So far, dog. Huh? Look at him. He likes it. He says, I got him.
Hey, good boy. Hey, you doing?
He's going under it. Well, maybe he'll use the bathroom under there. He won't use it out in the snow. It's too cold. Oh, look, it's wonderful. Isn't he going real? Yeah! Is this an alcohol? He doesn't like it. I was going to say, he probably says they hell do. He does, but he went out and played with his snowball fight for playing a little bit. Hey! Because he needs to get some more that helps your ankle that much. It does, I mean, really help. That's great. We're going snow skiing in February. Oh, man, I miss. Zoom in on Paul. Where's Shorty? Carol. Let me get out here. There's Carolyn. Noah. What's the little girl's name? Okay, guys. Oh, man, it's doing at me. Who is it? There goes the car. We'll get one of everything around here. Watch out. Don't get it on the camera. There's Mama's house. It looks good. Oh, they just got me. There we go. Let me get Shorty and Paul together. Can't get them both in the same picture. Okay, there they are. Okay, guys, here you go for it. Isn't it beautiful? Get the dog! Where? There he is. There's the dog over there, Shorty. Here he is.
in action. Ready? Go. Okay, here's Paul. There goes another one. All right, got her good. There she goes. He caught it in his hand. Where's Jeremy? There he is. There he is by the car. Oh no, right at me. Woo! There's all three of them. Oh no, they're all gonna bomb me. Really good. Walking around. There's Jimmy's house. Checking everything out. Look at the snow. Oh, it's gorgeous. Okay. Here we go. There they all are. Where's Carrie and Aubrey? They must not want to come out. It's too cold for them. Isn't it gorgeous? Look at all the snow. There's somebody's truck. They're bombing the house now. Okay, I'm gonna turn it off. Does it show her? How do I zoom her? Zoom in? No. I don't know if that zooms in or what. Here comes. Who's that coming out? Rachel? There goes the puppy. Today is Saturday, December the 23rd. Oh, right at me. And we've got a good 6 inches of snow by now. Whoa, I think I turned it on. I did.
Look out!
See the snowball? Where are we at here? Here we go.
You're lucky that was a good one. That would have knocked your
See
head
the
off.
snowball? Okay.
That's cute on it. It's that, and show your